Krishna, welcome to Chance Vlog. Right, we are here at VECC Papakura where we're going to celebrate Krishna Mela. So all the arrangements has been done and the tents has been put at place, and I show you the brief event how it is happening. So all the information will be here, and the registration counter will be set up here, and then all the ISKCON books and Brahmachari will be telling people about this. Then we have set up a retail stores. There are a few retail center here. Yeah, there are still arrangements being done. So as soon as the people come, all the shoes will be taken off here, and then this is the beautiful entrance. So this is how we are going to enter. Everything about Krishna has been put at place, very nicely done. So this already gives you a very good feeling of VECC center. So this is how we go inside. Also, this is the pre-event. So people are still preparing themselves here, and this is Krishna Mela going to start soon. So all the food stalls will be here. People will eat. They will go outside. So the door I came through is a entrance door, and there is an exit door as well. So there are banners are put in place. So this is so far the curtain has drawn because tomorrow there is a big program here about Janmashtami. So after that there are so many retail setup is there. I will show you more retail setup once people start coming. So this is everything has been done. Everything is covered here. So this is the exit door where they're going to out, and this is all setup has been done. So people can eat nicely and they can eat their food. So far very nice arrangements has been done here at VECC. So Himanshu Prabhu is here and he is going to stamp me here. This is the process we are going to follow with each devotee, those who are coming. Thank you, Himanshu Prabhu. So yeah, there are lots of people, and luckily we have found Divya Govind Prabhu, and he's arranging this event. And Prabhuji, how are you doing today?
I'm okay, Prabhu. Excited to see so many wonderful.
And Prabhuji, what are we doing here today?
We're celebrating Krishna Mela.
Okay.
Yes.
And are we doing it every year or?
Yes, last 2 years we did. And this year we're doing, the good thing about this year we're doing in our own premise, where our ISKCON VECC center, in the same premise.
That's fantastic, Prabhuji. And we are expecting, how many people we are expecting?
Over 600, as per the people has been reserved, has been got their tickets.
Okay.
As so more than 600, but hopefully it could be more, could be less. It dependent on the people's last moment decision.
Yeah.
That could be more, could be less.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you, Prabhuji, for giving VECC center to Papakura. Thank you, Prabhuji. This is the information center. People have already set up themselves here, and there we go. We have found one Brahmachari. He's selling ISKCON books here. So let's talk with them. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
How are you doing, Prabhuji?
Very happy to be
And
here.
what are you doing, Prabhuji, here today?
Sharing all these beautiful books about Krishna and his devotees and all the stories about Krishna.
Okay, fantastic, Prabhuji. I can see lots of books have been written by Prabhupada, and anything particular about Prabhupada which you can tell me today? Yeah, just for my viewers, Prabhuji.
Something very special about Prabhupada. He wasn't an academic scholar studying Bhagavad Gita and teaching it to others, but his whole life was lived by the principles and teachings of Krishna in Bhagavad Gita.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Prabhuji. Thank you for your kind words, and yeah, hopefully more people will join ISKCON, and let's celebrate ISKCON today. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Now I'll take you around and show some of the stalls. Lots of retail shops are here. Okay, if you are interested to buy anything, you can come here. So this is how it has been set up. Lots of clothes here. So you are interested in some masala, this is available here. Face painting, as I told. Yeah. How is the face painting going?
It is going really well. We started well with Radharani face painting and Krishna face painting. You can see here.
Okay, let me show you that. This is one of Mataji, Ranjita Mataji. She's looking after a food stall. Ranjita Mataji, how are you doing?
Hare Krishna.
So what is your role today?
So my role is actually with the help of all our teams.
Yeah.
We have done food stalls. So we've got like 3 stalls with different variety of food. And we have samosas, we have pani puri, we've got hot fries, we've got pav bhaji, we've got Manchurian and noodles. And then we have dessert. We've got gulab jamun and cupcakes and candy floss.
And Mataji, will you be able to cater so many people?
Yes.
Those who are coming?
Absolutely. Krishna is going to take care of everything.
Oh, fantastic. Great service you are doing, Mataji.
That's
Thank you very
everybody.
much.
All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna. Hare Krishna. So this is जस्ट वेटिंग मोर पीपल। नमस्ते, ये हमारे नीलू माता जी हैं। ये हमेशा बहुत मदद करते रहते हैं इस्कॉन के लिए। थैंक यू माता जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच। स्वीटी माता जी here as well. So there are people eating food there now.
So, if you have any questions, please see the people who are on the room lanyard. Hare Krishna.
So let's meet more people here. Krishna crew. Hare Krishna Prabhu ji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Prabhu ji, क्या काम है आज? Like what is your role today, Prabhu ji?
So we are distributing Mahaprasad Seva here.
Okay.
Tomorrow is Mahaprasad Seva here.
So is there any other program tomorrow as well,
Yes,
Prabhu ji?
yes. Tomorrow is we are celebrating Janmashtami.
Okay, yeah.
Today is Mela.
Yeah.
So we will celebrate tomorrow.
To ISKCON.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna Prabhu ji. Thank you.
वो तभी ना वो दूसरे हाथ में ले लो।
Selling today?
I'm selling a spice blend. This is no onion, no garlic based blends. And
This
you
is
could
no onion,
onion, no garlic.
Which is fantastic for ISKCON devotees.
Yes,
And I think
yes.
everyone who is interested, he can go and check out.
Yeah, we have a website
Spice
called,
company?
yeah, we got website www.jagotas.co.nz. Thank you. And Jai Shri Radhe.
Very good. Very good. So now we are coming to one of the stores and meet lovely devotee here. Mataji,
Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.
What are you selling today?
We are selling a Laddu Gopalji Poshak.
okay.
And all of them Radha Rani, all Tulsi products, Jagannath Ji Poshak. And also we are selling Jhula, Singhasan, whatever Janmashtami required, we are selling everything. So
you can come, and we have all price range from $20 और हमारे पास jewelries भी हैं which start from just only $1. So please do come and visit to Shri Hari.
This is a place where you can buy everything for Krishna, Jagannath ji, all kind of. You can see so pretty things are there. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
प्रोग्राम होता है
Okay.
एवरी संडे 4 to 7:30 नाइस प्रसाद तो प्लीज आप आना
ठीक है.
आज फूड एंजॉय करो कल जन्माष्टमी से एंजॉय
Okay.
करो
So as you can see that कि यहाँ पे श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी का प्रोग्राम भी है कल को और वहाँ पे महाप्रसाद सेवा भी करते
महाप्रसाद
हैं.
सेवा कोई भी कुछ
So everything is Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण
The information. Let's see who is we getting. Sandhya Mataji and Mana Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. So let's get some information about VECC. What is VECC and how it is related with ISKCON?
Yeah. Hare Krishna everyone. Welcome to ISKCON VECC. We are extension of the ISKCON Auckland at Kimio. So we are based in Papakura, South Auckland. So ISKCON VECC. So VECC stands for Vedic Education and Cultural Center. So we have every Sunday Love Feast program and 4 to
Sandhya
6:30.
Mataji, is there any celebration tomorrow as well?
Yes.
We do have the celebration tomorrow, and that's the pre-Janmashtami celebrations. There will be
And what
cultural
would be the
programs. The timings are 3 to 9, so don't miss it. Please do come with your families.
Please Prabhu is here. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Good job.